Yes, you can get a mortgage with blemished credit, but there would be far different conditions than if you had impeccable credit. I'll give you an example. Most times with blemished credit, you'll have to put 20% down on the purchase of that property. Your interest rate's going to be quite a bit higher because of the risk involved in you having derogatory or blemished credit. Your prepayment privileges will be far less favorable than a regular mortgage, and your prepayment privileges are minimized. That's because the lender who's lending you the money wants to make sure that you pay exactly what you need to do at a higher interest rate for the duration of the term. Traditional lenders have far more generous prepayment privileges involved so that clients can pay their mortgage down much quicker than they anticipated. I do consultations with clients. If they come in looking for a mortgage, I give them the guidelines on what lenders are looking for and what is the best way to maximize their credit score. Many people don't understand how the credit score system works, so I'll give you sort of a Reader's Digest version. To have a good credit score, you need a minimum of 2 trades, which means a line of credit and a Visa, a MasterCard, a loan and a Visa. 2 different items that are running simultaneously on your credit for a minimum of 24 months. That's really important for first-time home buyers because a lot of first-time home buyers are younger people, and they don't necessarily know that they need 2 credit instruments in order to qualify for a mortgage. To improve your credit score, you also need to keep your balances at about 80% of their maximum. Example, you have a $10,000 line of credit, keep it at $8,000 or less. Credit utilization, which means how much of your credit are you using, is a really important factor in determining whether a person can afford a mortgage because the lender sees how that person is managing their credit. So those are some really key tips that people can look at when looking for getting the best rate on their mortgage possible.